Why are printers so European? Yeah, that looks good. Let's print that. And the printer's just like... Wait, hold on. What the fuck? What's this print job I gotta do? And you're like, can you just please print it, man? And it's like, alright.
Puts out its cigarette.
Do you want portrait or landscape, bro?
And you're like, obviously, if it's landscape,
It'll squeak. I'm portrait, please, bro.
and it's like, alright. Do you want some color? Do you want
Grayscale? And you're like, yes, can I just have RGB? You're like, yeah, no problem, bro. No problem.
in order?
Yes, in fucking order. I'm printing a textbook. Obviously, it needs to be in order. And it's like, okay. Alright. Tomorrow. I'll do tomorrow.